So this is how I teach all my team members to use this essence and ampoule correctly. You can use it incorrectly and it would not be good. So step number one, you spray a very generous amount and you do have to work it with your fingers. No matter what esthetician tell you, this is what you have to do. You know what's included in this essence and ampoule, so to get the best out of it is to work it with finger. And step number two is spray again. Again, generous amount, especially if it's your first time using it, please be very, very generous with it. The idea is once you use the essence ampoule set, after a month, your face would be back to natural form where you can actually use any other lotion and it should feel great. So step number three is actually applying the ampoule now, about 8 to 10 pumps. If you have a very sensitive skin and 8 to pumps on the first use seems to irritate you, reduce it to 5 to 8 pumps. And again, work it with your finger and do massage, if you can. But this is a great product for someone like me who's always rushing, who doesn't really have time to take care of her cosmetic, and it's for men and women and kids and elderly, for anybody. So you do have to be very simple with it, and you'll get great result if you just use it the way I'm showing you here. So step number 4 was to spray it again, and step number 5 is to spray it again. So 2 sprays, 1 ampoule, 5 to 10 pumps, and then another 2 sprays. Then you just apply your sun cream and BB cream or foundation and put on your makeup, and you're good for the day. Do it for morning and in the evening, and spray the essence during the day over your makeup. As a mist, you do not have to work it with your finger, and you should see great result after a month. And you should also go through about 4 sets in your first month too.